As an RCI Points member, you're part of the world's largest exchange holiday programme, which gives you access to the widest choice of exchange holidays. This short video explains how the Points Exchange programme works. It will give you the key to unlock the door to thousands of new holiday opportunities worldwide, so you can make memories with the people who mean the most. RCI's Points programme is flexible and transparent and offers you more value than ever before. So, how does it work? You are allocated a specific number of points every year to spend on exchange holidays. This allocation doesn't change. All exchange holidays have points values assigned to them, so you can see exactly how many points you need to book your holiday. You can use your points to book exchange holiday accommodation at over 4,000 RCI affiliated resorts around the world. You can also use your points to book car hire, hotels and more with RCI Points partners. One of the great benefits of the RCI Points membership is the flexibility. You can enjoy multiple exchange holidays each year. Whether you like to dip your toes in the crystal clear waters of Cancun or get your adrenaline pumping skiing down the mountains of Austria, the choice is yours. Or if you've got that extra special holiday coming up this year, you've got a number of options, so you get the most out of your points. You can add points that you've saved from a previous year to your allocation, or you can borrow from your next year's points. With so many options, we've got you covered for all your holiday needs. And remember, wherever you travel to, you pay the same exchange fee. Visit the help pages on rci.com to learn how to search and book your exchange holiday. You'll be packing your bags in no time.